Okay, testing again. So sometimes when you work with museum environments, you want to actually write applications for touchscreens because it acts like a nice centralized spot. People come to the touchscreen because it's illuminated, they touch it, and stuff reacts. Usually it's just stuff on the screen or sound that's played from the environment. When you use the cy.PIPES controller, you can of course wire it up to use different type of lighting, different types of special effects. So for instance, if we press this pumpkin here, we actually get some Halloween decorations that light up in the background. Now, if this is a holiday exhibit, maybe you might have another setup for Christmas. So I press that, there's a Christmas tree that just lit up and it shut off the effects from the Halloween decorations. So pretty cool. The wiring could be cleaner, but this is just a quick example for you. Also, if you wanted to do actual special effects, maybe make it seem like you have a weather simulation, like a tornado. That's what I've got here is a picture of a tornado. So if I press that, it changes and we get lots of fog, and I'm getting all kinds of wind right now, and it's just getting more, and it's getting stronger and stronger, and that's thanks to an industrial air circulator back there. And this is a ultrasonic mist maker. That fan's really makes a lot of racket, but that's an ultrasonic mister right there, and there's a smaller fan that's blowing that. So you could build weather simulators, you can build different experiences that make the room totally change around the user just by interacting with the Unity app on the touchscreen.